I just decided I had enough of working for other folk. I wanted, for myself, that work-life balance. As all my staff are all mums, I wanted that for them as well. My first job was back when I was 12, working in a hotel in my local village. The hotel I worked for at the time sort of seen something in me, so we decided that I would go to college to do hospitality, and from there I started doing sort of 6 months in every department throughout the hotel, from bar to function to kitchen, and the last one I done was housekeeping, and I've never left. I'm still cleaning to this day. I would leave my house on a Monday morning and I would not return to this house until Friday evening. And being away from my partner, it's long, it's hard. I first met my husband a long time ago. Oh, I should know how many years, shouldn't I? A long time. We've known each other, we've been married 7 years. And I think he's always had my back, and he's sort of supported me throughout all my jobs, the changing of jobs to hotel to hotel. I wasn't unhappy, but I think he wanted me to do something for myself. And I think the next step was for me to set up Chrissy Clean. We started, myself, 1 girl, and 4 cleans a week. I would suppose the biggest challenge for us was getting good staff. I basically wanted another 4 me, and trying to get 4 of me is quite difficult because people had that expectation of they wanted Chris in their house, they wanted that Chrissy Clean house. So I've managed to get now 6 of me. So they're a great bunch, they're a crazy bunch. Owning my own business has changed my life drastically. I'm able to be at home 7 days a week. As much as my husband might hate that now. We can cook, we can go out, we can do stuff together again.